Welcome back to Cooking with Rohan. Today we're going to do a blackened salmon on crushed sweet potato and Asian veg. Let's start off with the ingredients. For our ingredients, it will be a salmon fillet, gluten-free soy sauce, minced garlic, turmeric, minced ginger, thickened cream, sweet potato and bok choy. And most important of all, the Chinese rice wine. Let's first start with marinating the salmon fillet. First of all, we get a bowl, put our salmon inside, about 60 ml of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of garlic, about 30 grams of turmeric, 20 grams of ginger, and we mix it up all together. Like so. Mix all the ingredients up, and right at the end, just grab a bit of the Chinese rice wine, about 2 teaspoons of that, and we mix it again around. We'll let that marinate for about 20 minutes. Now it's finished marinating for 20 minutes or so. What we do now is we take the salmon, a little bit of olive oil just on the bottom. We put the salmon in a tray, still got the nice marinade inside, just a tad of olive oil. We'll go to the oven. We'll set the oven at 180 degrees. Put the salmon inside and we'll cook it for about 8 minutes. So that will make the salmon a little bit pink in the middle. While the salmon's cooking, let's prepare the vegetables. We have the sweet potato, so we'll just peel the sweet potato like so. And in our boiling water, salted boiling water, we'll just place it inside. With the marinade, leftover marinade, what we do, we'll make a little sauce with it. So we just slip it into a saucepan, like so. And then we put it on the heat. So now I've drained the sweet potato. So now we'll finish off the sweet potato so we're ready to plate up the salmon dish. So add a bit of cream, a bit of salt and pepper, and because it's crushed, all you want to do is just crush it with your fork. And just mix it around with the cream, like so. Let's plate up now the salmon dish. First of all, we'll get a nice sweet potato, crushed sweet potato. Just lay it nicely in the middle here, like so. We'll go to the oven now and grab the salmon. Now you're probably wondering why the salmon is called blackened. If you can see from all the marinade, it's blackened a bit, the salmon fillet. But before we put the salmon on the dish, let's go to the bok choy. So the bok choy has been blanching for a minute or so, so let's drain the water off, bring it over to the dish, put it on the sweet potato, like so. Next, we put the salmon on top, and now we'll finish it off with the sauce. So this is from the marinade, so it's reduced a bit. So we'll take it off the heat, bring it over to the salmon, and just drizzle just around the plate. Just put a little bit on top. Then I'll just finish it off with a bit of parsley. So there you have it. This is the blackened salmon on sweet potato mash and Asian veg. Until next time, happy cooking.